Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here, and look at this, we have gotten the trailer on the Goldwing. If you want to see what happens, you'll have to come right back. Okay, so this is the inaugural ride just around the neighborhood of the Goldwing pulling the trailer. We're going to see how she tracks, see how she goes. I think I might have to replace the shocks in the back, but I'm not sure. Let's get on board and see what happens. That is the finished project. We'll be right back, folks. Okay, so that was my neighbor Richard, who was admiring the motorcycle because he saw me working on it all last year. So let's get out for a little tootle. Now it's all hand signals for me for right now because my turn signals broke, and I'll be fixing those in the spring. This is the spring, so I'll be fixing those. I'm hoping in 2 more weeks. When I go out to Darren's garage in Barhead, he's on a range road, and that range road, he said, was just full of mud. So I'm going to wait another couple weeks and then get out there and do all the stuff on the Goldwing. And we'll have a video of that for you as well. All the forums that I've read on YouTube and Twitter and stuff have all said that you don't even notice a trailer behind this bike, and while I'm only going 40k an hour, you don't notice it at all. And you can see in the mirror, there's the trailer tracking behind me, and in that mirror. So we're just going to go around my neighborhood here as I get the hang of pulling a trailer on the motorcycle. You have to go a little bit wider on the corners, of course, because you don't want to clip things with the tires of the trailer. But I mean, other than that, you really don't notice this thing is here. Now let's do a tight little corner here with the trailer and see what that's like. Look at that, just tracks right behind. Don't even notice it. Very nice. Anyways, let's switch camera angles and give you a view from the front of the bike looking back.
My friends say that my Goldwing is now officially an old man's bike, all because I put a flag on the back. Okay, so I'm just pulling over here to the side so that I can check out the trailer and its connection to the bike, given that this is the first time that I've ever hooked up a trailer to a motorcycle. A quick check to make sure that everything is still hooked up, nothing is dragging underneath, everything looks the way it should, and then we'll get back on the bike and keep going. So I've decided that since things went so well inside the neighborhood, we'll do a little venture outside the neighborhood. So this is one of the main roads in Edmonton that runs north-south, and the speed limit is 60 kilometers an hour. Most people travel 60 to 65. And as we get up to speed at 60 kilometers an hour, again, the motorcycle and the trailer are tracking very nicely. You really don't notice that the trailer is back there. As you can see in the video, the trailer's not bouncing or jerking side to side, which is a good sign after being stored for so long. So over the next couple of weeks, while we're waiting for the weather to get better, I'll be changing all the trim on the trailer, putting new foam gussets in so that it is watertight, and getting it ready to go on the road. The next time the Goldwing and the trailer will be on the road will be when we head to Darren's garage to finish the restoration project. That will be its own video. So until then, everybody make sure to ride safe, keep that rubber side down, and your right hand cranked.